Using Apple Pay on your Apple Watch is a quick and secure way to make payments without pulling out your iPhone or wallet. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to set up and use Apple Pay on your Apple Watch. Setting up Apple Pay on Apple Watch. Ensure compatibility. Your Apple Watch must be compatible, which includes Series 1 and later models. Add cards to iPhone. Open the Wallet app on your paired iPhone, tap the plus icon to add your credit or debit cards to Apple Pay. Enable Apple Pay on Watch. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and navigate to the My Watch tab. Scroll down to the Wallet and Apple Pay and tap it. Toggle on Mirror My iPhone. Authenticate. You may need to enter your Apple Watch passcode to confirm the setup. Using Apple Pay on Apple Watch. Ensure watch is worn. Ensure your Apple Watch is on your wrist and unlocked. Also, make sure it's within range of your paired iPhone. Double-click Side button. Double-click the Side button on your Apple Watch. This action will bring up your default card. Hold near NFC reader. Hold your Apple Watch near the contactless payment terminal at the store. The watch will vibrate and display a check mark when the payment is successful. Payment confirmation. Depending on the setup, you might need to enter your watch's passcode or use wrist detection to authenticate the payment.